And this morning, Eugene Police arrested a man who had hitched a ride on the back of a fire engine. Around 7:30 this morning, Eugene Springfield fire staff returned to a fire engine to the Danebo station. They realized an unwanted passenger was riding on the tailgate. That man jumped off, then rolled underneath the vehicle. ESF called in police to assist. There was a language barrier, but EPD says everyone managed the situation calmly. That man was detained. Police identified him as 35-year-old Fernando Aguilera Bravo and discovered he had 2 warrants out of Marion County. Aguilera Bravo was taken to the Lane County Jail on warrants and a criminal trespass charge.